Ever wondered how militaries take out targets buried deep underground? Let's talk bunker blast bombs, also known as bunker busters. These aren't your average bombs. They're designed to smash through meters of rock, concrete, and steel before detonating right where it hurts most. So, what exactly is a bunker blast bomb? In plain English, it's a penetration bomb built to burrow deep into the earth or blast its way through reinforced concrete before going off. The goal? To unleash maximum destruction inside the most hardened targets, places that normal bombs just can't touch. Here's how it works. First, high speed. These bombs are dropped from high altitude, picking up immense speed as they fall. Second, the casing is absolutely tough, think super hardened steel or even tungsten. This lets the bomb punch through layers of concrete, rock, or packed earth. Third, there's a delayed fuse, which means the explosion only happens after it's penetrated deep inside its target. And finally, the blast effect. Once inside, a bunker buster unleashes shockwaves and overpressure, collapsing walls and ceilings, and neutralizing anything or anyone inside. Now let's check out a few famous examples. The American GBU-58, weighing in at 5,000 pounds, can smash through more than 30 meters of concrete. It made its debut in the Gulf War, destroying Iraqi command bunkers. Then there's the GBU-57 MOP, the massive ordnance penetrator. At 30,000 pounds, it's the biggest conventional bunker buster around, able to punch over 60 meters deep. Not to forget the Blue 109 or Blue Steel, a 2,000-pounder that NATO jets have used extensively for precision strikes. And from Russia, you've got the Kh-59 MK cruise missile, which carries its own bunker-busting warhead for standoff attacks. What can these things actually destroy? We're talking deep underground command posts, missile silos, WMD storage sites, mountain tunnels, and fortified caves, and aircraft shelters made of solid, reinforced concrete. If it's buried or armored, bunker busters are built to crack it open. So how do they stack up against regular bombs? Bunker busters have thick, hardened casings. Normal bombs have thin metal shells. Regular bombs go off on impact, while bunker busters use a time or depth delay fuse. And while a standard bomb is fine for surface targets, bunker busters are all about those hidden underground threats. What delivers these monsters? You'll see bunker busters loaded up on jets like the F-15E, F-22, or stealthy B-2 bombers. Even F-35S Tornadoes and French Rafales have been modified to carry them. Plus, some modern bunker busters are launched from missiles or drones, letting militaries hit protected sites from a safe distance. So next time you hear about an underground command post or a missile silo, remember, there's a specialized bomb built to reach it, no matter how deep it's hidden. That's the power and the precision of the bunker blast bomb.